Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to reset the FEIT Floodlight camera. If you are experiencing any of the following issues, resetting your FEIT Floodlight camera might be necessary. The feed from your camera is not displaying correctly, showing only a black screen or blurry image or error message. The motion detection feature is no longer working, triggering false alarms or failing to detect movement altogether. You have changed your Wi-Fi's network password or name, and your camera is no longer connected to the internet. You want to erase all customizations made, such as user accounts or preferences, and start fresh. If you want to perform a hard reset on your FEIT Floodlight camera, follow these steps. Locate the small round button labeled Reset on the bottom part of your camera. Use a pointed object to press and hold the reset button for at least 6 seconds. Release the button when the indicator light switches off and begins to flash quickly. Your FEIT Floodlight camera will reboot automatically, indicating successful restoration to its factory settings. Note that resetting your FEIT Floodlight camera deletes all customized configurations such as user accounts and network credentials. You will need to set them up again after the process completes. If you are experiencing connectivity issues with your FEIT Floodlight camera, open the FEIT Electric app on your smartphone or tablet device. Select Cameras from the main menu. Locate the FEIT Floodlight camera experiencing connectivity problems and click on it. Select Wi-Fi settings. Select Forget this network to erase your current Wi-Fi configuration and reconfigure your camera's Wi-Fi parameters. Enter your Wi-Fi network's name and password correctly, making sure these are no typographical errors, and select Join. Your FEIT Floodlight camera should now connect to the internet using the updated Wi-Fi information entered previously. If resetting your FEIT Floodlight camera does not solve the problem, restarting it might be necessary. Turn off the power supply for your FEIT Floodlight camera by switching off the light switch connected to it, unplugging the cord, or turning off the power breaker in your home's electrical panel. Wait for at least 10 seconds before powering your camera back on. The indicator light on your FEIT Floodlight camera should also start flashing, indicating that it is powering on correctly. Wait for a few minutes to let the camera boot up completely and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network before checking its performance. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.